Yeah. Check the water. Bro,
Okay.
it's fine this one. It's fine bro.
Okay, actually.
Kaya siya natin bro. I-open it na to. So this is the sensor. Set up bro. So imagine guys, ito lang ang nakikita namin dito. Ito lang ang tanaw. So yun, at nandito na ako sa taas mga guys. How are you bro? How are you bro? How are you bro? Alhamdulillah. This is my friend. What is your name?
Zahran.
Zaharan Al-Maroki. He is single. You are single, huh? Bachelor or single?
Again, three.
You want someone? Hey, Abdurrahman, Tal. Come here.
Come, Abdurrahman.
Come.
Interview.
Interview. Hey, why Abdurrahman? He is afraid.
Usama.
Where Usama?
Where is Usama?
Okay, bro. One quick question.
Yes, tell me.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
How about your bonus? Alhamdulillah.
Good, alhamdulillah.
Good.
And you? And you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Today, where you go?
I'm today we are going in the top. We are checking this pH, bro. pH.
pH is stripper,
Stripper pH, inlet and outlet pH. Me and Sinta boy.
Inshallah.
Okay, bro.
Inshallah.
Please, we will check that one. Where your partner here? Why he's leaving, bro? Why he's afraid? Abdurrahman, Tol. Okay, bro.
Walid, come, Walid.
Shukran, ha?
Okay, thank you.
Tal, Walid. كيف حالك Walid?
Come, Walid, interview.
Walid, this is Walid Al-Shahoumi from Ibri. كيف what happened? من هذا؟ من هو؟ ما في نفر bro.
Interview, Walid, interview.
وليد كيف حالك bro؟
والله الحمد لله.
أنت ريت
مو مرة.
بنانا؟
لا لا البنانا هذا.
ما يريد.
البنانا ولا ناكل بس.
Philippine banana good.
شوف أحمد يا رب.
Okay.
اوكي. يا القهوة قهوة.
قهوة. بعدين خلاص جاي. Okay. I will go there in the top in Sinta and then we'll see.
Inshallah.
Okay, Walid?
اوكي.
Thank you, country. Thank you.
Okay, bro. So, yun. Nakipagkulitan muna tayo doon bago mag-umpisa ng trabaho. Pupunta kami ni Sinta doon sa may taas. Doon sa may stripper, sa may pinaggagawan natin. May checking kami na pH. Yung mga pinagsasabi ko na pH, low pH, high pH. Yun ang aming checking kasi may fluctuation. So, abang-abang lang kayo guys at hinihintay ko si Sinta. So yun at magsusuot muna ako ng sinturong pangkaligtasan dito kasi dito ay mahigpit ang safety. Kahit magtatrabaho kami sa mga fixed platform na kumpleto naman doon, kumpleto ang harang, lahat may guide rails, ay gusto pa rin nila naka-full kami naka-safety harness. So, magsusuot muna ako nito mga guys. So para hindi tayo masita, magsuot na lang tayo nito para sigurado tayo. Set up bro. Okay, balik. Are you ready? Wow, okay. So come. This is Sinta, is my partner, instrument engineer.
Engineer.
One. Electrical ANI instrument.
Okay.
Electrical instrument. He is the one who will check the pH there. What pH? pH analyzer?
Yeah, pH analyzer.
pH analyzer and sensor. So, that is yours, huh? Okay, bro? Bro, shout out to your wife, bro. Come here, bro. Shout out to your wife. What name of your wife?
Farga.
Barga.
How are you? Good.
How are you? If you are watching to our video, so I hope you are in good condition and you are fine with. Don't worry, Sinta is here.
Okay.
He cannot so, suot muna tayo nito. I close already the bumper bar, bro. That's better. Take the lab meter, bro. So yun, kumukuha ng lab meter si Sinta. At aming i-cross check. Checkin namin doon sa lab meter kung ang result at saka yung result doon sa analyzer ay parehas. Kapag parehas, ibig sabihin walang problema yung analyzer. Ang problema niyan ay yung nasa tubig na. So bahala na ang operation yan. Ganun lang. So yun, aakyat tayo doon sa taas. Okay. So we will show to you how to wear the harness.
Wala, muskilan.
This is the open this one, bro. This is open. Open this. Don't worry, I will edit this one, bro. Magic.
Okay.
So that's it. So yun. Habang si Sintay nagpe-prepare ng kanyang harness, ako yung magsisimula na umakyat doon. So aakyatin natin yan. So ito, hindi pa kami tapos dito. Hindi pa kami tapos ng pagsasali ng media. Kasi yung media dito ay nililinis pa doon sa kabilang planta. At hinihintay pa namin, magtatagal pa yun, mga abutin pa ng 4 na araw bago namin may salin ulit dito. So matagal pa yun. So ito, hindi pa ito kumpleto. Hindi pa ito tapos. Yung aming nilinis na yung aming tinanggal dito na media, pinadala na namin doon. So ito nga yung naka-ready na yung pinaka-cover ng manhole doon sa taas. So akit muna ako. Mag-exercise muna tayo. Phew! So ayun, at nandito na ako sa taas mga guys. So yan, makikita ninyo yung view na yan. Ito guys, ito yung aming palaisdaan dito. Tatlong palaisdaan yan, tatlong area yan. ABC yan. Palaisdaan ang tawag ko dyan. Ang tawag po namin dyan ay yan ay pinaka-evaporation pond. Ang purpose po niyan, yung mga wastewater ay dyan po namin ibinabato. So kapag tag-init, yan po ay nag-evaporate po ng kanya. So kapag nag-evaporate po yan, ibig sabihin yung tubig niyan ay di matutunaw ng kanya. Mawawala yan, maiiga. Ayan o, tumitira yung mga kasamahan namin. Maglilinis siya, magtatanggal ang mga buhangin dyan. Ken, Sinta! Ha? What? Si Sinta hindi pa rin nakapagkuha ng harness. So yan, ito yung pinaka-evaporation pan namin nga na, yung patatlo na yun walang tubig, yung padalawa kukunti, ito madami to. So yan guys, ito yung aming check upin dito na pH sa analyzer. Yan, Endres Hauser. Ito guys, so ang reading niya ay 5.5, fluctuates sa 5.6. So okay naman siya. Ito ay para sa train A. Ito, palibasay naka-shutdown ito, 4.4 ang reading niya. So check upin namin itong sensor. Ito yung pinaka-sensor niya eh. Ito yung magse-sense, tapos babato dito kung ano yung nare-reading niya. So check upin namin ito kung anong problema. Ito para dito sa biyan eh, para dito sa kabila dito. Wala pa itong media. Kukunti pa media nito. Oh. Yan, wala pa laman. Wala pa kasi nung laman. 5 box pa lang yung amin ay laman. Sinta bro. Okay. Nandiyan na si Sinta. Maakyat na siya. Oh, maakyat na si Sinta. Give me the lab meter bro. Ito yung aming tinatawag na lab meter. Checkin namin dito, imamatch namin dito yung result. At kapag okay yan, edi walang problema. Okay bro?
You open this one?
Yeah, this one is still open bro. See, there's no media. The media is still there in WMA. I don't know when.
Cleaning up.
You see? see that inside before?
No.
Check this one. So you can get some yan, sabit natin dito yung ating sinturong pagkaligtasan. Check bro. Imagine that one is full of media Yeah. Imagine See? So pinapakita ko sa kanya kasi wala siya rito nung namin tinanggal yan para magkaroon siya ng idea kung ano yung nando sa loob. So imagine guys, ito lang ang nakikita namin dito. Ito lang ang tanawin dito. Araw-araw na ginawa na. Ganito lang ang tanawin dito. Wala nang kakaibang tanawin kundi yan. Yan. Wala makitang kabundukan dito. Walang puno kasi dito lang kami Too much dirty See? Dirty trainer tinitira na ni Sinta boy. Nililinis niya yung strainer. Washing. Ito our lab meter bro. So yung tubig na to ay nanggagaling yan, nakakonekta yan dito Yan Yan, dyan nanggagaling yan. Dito pataas yung tubig yan. Yan ang tubig. Inlet, pupunta yan, nakakit lang dito, ibabato yan dito sa may box. Tapos dito yung pinaka-analyzer. Ito yung connection niya. So, chine-check na ni Sinta ang kwan. What is the result bro?
It's okay, Pari, because start going right water.
Yeah. And what is the reading here?
5.3.
5.3.
Before 5.3, right? Now no water there. That's the
Yeah, no water.
See?
Can you check bro?
5.3, 5.4, same. Okay.
What if what do you call that one? What kind of calibration that one?
Empty calibration.
Huh?
The
What do you call that one? You will minus the what is the reading here?
offset.
Yeah, offset calibration. We will try to offset calibration. We will see. Ay, binalik na ni Sinta ang strainer. Pinaka parang filter yan So yan ang ginagawa dito. Maraming sistema ng calibration to. Pwedeng offset calibration. Mayroong 2-point calibration.
See, reducing. See?
Yeah.
Now.
We will reduce this one. 6.12. 6.1. So yan, maya update ko kayo sa magiging result. So this is the sensor. Binubuksan na ni Sinta ang sensor.
You feel there?
No, it's nothing now.
Nothing now.
Nothing.
Now nothing.
Now nothing because I closed
Before.
the
Okay.
that damper valve is closed already.
Okay. Now nothing.
Nothing bro. Maybe the flow of water is without air. So pure water now is going there.
No leak.
So why no water?
Okay, actually.
May say again bro. Did you open it again? This is the sensor. Yeah. Napakamahal nito. This is very costly. Endress Hauser sensor. Yeah. ANH. So binalik na ni Sinta ang yung connection niya. I-check na lang yan dito parang i-re-reset na ulit yan. Not i-re-reset. Ino-normalize. Tight that one and then become okay. So yan, ganyan lang po ang pag-check ng pan dito. ng pH, pero kinakalibrate din yan, calibration. So check upin na namin kung anong nangyari dito. Okay, now it's okay. 6.2
I will reduce right.
will reduce 5.8. So makikita ninyo nag-okay na. .6, 5.5. So yan, mukhang okay na to. Down bro.
Yeah, finish. I'm okay.
It's fine, this one, it's fine bro. See, 5.5, it will fluctuate to 5.6, it's fine bro. See, there's no leak now. I think it's fine, this one. Yes, I think, see, same this one only. So bababa kami dito. Doon naman kami sa baba mag-check. Open more here and that will control from there. Okay. So bababa na kami ni Sinta. Doon naman kami sa baba. Sinta boy! Chalega! Okay, finish. So let's go. Let's go. Baba na si Sinta boy. Oh. Yeah. Check the water. Outlet pH. That one is inlet pH, outlet pH mga guys. Ito yung aming tinatawag yan. 6.4 is I think it's okay bro. Huh?
Yeah,
Asan ba?
6.46.
There's no more fluctuation. Huh?
Bring here, just.
Here bro, we can check from here. 6.4 ang pH dito sa outlet. Here bro, we will check from here. Dito sampling point. Sintabay. Check na yung inlet to. Dito yung kuhan sa outlet. Ito yung stripper. Stripper yan, stripper. Ito yung stripper outlet pH, yun ang stripper inlet pH. So checkin niya sa outlet. It's okay bro. Oh, we need offset calibration.
Yeah.
6.1. Here is
1 minute.
yeah, we need to do 6.4 offset calibration yan. Ima-minus lang kung ano yung kulang. May setting yan dito yung offset calibration yan. Kaka-calibrate na nila oh.
Course? Okay, kalas.
Offset calibration
0.4, right? 0.2. No, we need to reduce, right? No. See, 6.2 now. Okay, kalas.
Okay. Now reading 6.2
3.
6.23
6.18.
and the actual and the lab meter is I want it 6.2 there, 6.2 also here. Round out 6.19.
Okay,
It's okay bro. There's no big difference. It's okay. Kasambay? Okay, kasambay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
So we will observe until tomorrow. Sahi asa?
Sorry.
Alas.
Hello. And then we are laying this is Gendry Macrae.
This is Karbuti. No, don't worry. So,
This is our planner Hassan Jassasi.
oh, this ANI planner everything. Cool.
All
Look.
in all.
Asan is Asan is like a coffee, 3 in 1. So let's G. So ayun, at nakapag-check na kami. Tapos na kami ni Sinta. So uobserbahan na lang to. So please, what can you say?
Okay, please subscribe and share the video to everyone. If you
Okay.
watch the video immediately, press the bell icon.
Chalega?
Okay, press the
Okay.
bell icon. Don't forget.
Press the bell icon and press all. So pupuntahan ko naman yung dalawa doon na nagkakabit ng boom barrier. Sila naman ang che-checkin ko ron. Sasamahan ko rin sila. So let's G.